Hello South Africa, my name is Yazeed Kamaldien and I'm a journalist from Cape Town. I have a very important story that I would like to share with you about Standard Bank. A couple of months ago I traveled to Brazil. While I was there, my card was cloned and 15,000 Rand was stolen out of my bank account via ATM transactions. When I returned to South Africa, I reported this matter to the bank. After a very lengthy 3-month process, the bank confirmed with me that my card was cloned and the funds were taken out of my account. Now I can honestly say to you that the 3 months were very exhausting. They were filled with many phone calls and visits to the bank. Each time I would phone the bank, it would say to me that somebody will get back to me within 24 hours, but that never happened. The bank confirmed that my card was cloned and the funds were stolen out of my account. It was only once I contacted the bank's spokesperson that the matter was escalated. I sent through a couple of questions to find out about the bank's insurance policy. Eventually, after I contacted the bank's spokesperson in my capacity as a journalist, the bank came back to me with a resolution. Now, unfortunately, I believe this resolution is completely unethical. The bank sent me a letter saying that it could only pay me back 50% of the 15,000 Rand that it confirmed was stolen from my bank account. It said if I was not happy with this, I could report the matter to the bank ombudsman, who would then investigate. I believe that Standard Bank is being unethical by telling me that it can only pay back 50% of the amount that was stolen out of my bank account. I want Standard Bank to pay me back 100% of the money that I trusted the bank would secure. It is very important to me that other people know about this, because I'm sure that there are other people who have also experienced similar unethical behavior from their banks. And as a journalist, I want to expose this. I want the public to know about unethical behavior within our banking system. In fact, I want to encourage you to go onto social media, whether it's Facebook, Twitter, or any other social media that you use, and expose unethical banking behavior. If you are going to tweet, use the hashtag #ExposeTheBanks, because ultimately we need to stand up and we need to speak out against businesses when they decide to tell us what they want to do with our money. Now I'm going to report the matter to the bank ombudsman, and once I do that, this video would have to go offline. This video will not be on the internet for long, because one of the conditions of the bank ombudsman investigating a matter is that you cannot put word about it into the media. So once an investigation begins, I will have to be quiet and wait for the ombudsman to come back to me with a response or an outcome of its investigation. In the meanwhile, I am going to go on a mission to expose unethical banking behavior. I would like to encourage you to contact me with issues about your bank. If it has been unethical, it doesn't matter which Standard Bank or any other bank. I really want to expose unethical banking. Send me an email to this address and we can take it from there. It's time that we expose the bank.